Hey guys, what's up? So if you're new to exercise, you know that doing a push-up can be extremely challenging. It's a test of upper body strength and can be considered a milestone in any beginner's fitness journey. The push-up requires you to have an adequate amount of strength in your chest, triceps, and shoulders. As a beginner, you should aim to get about 20 push-ups in consecutively. Most experts agree that's about the average amount a person should be able to do if they're in good health. Without further ado, I'm going to show you 4 exercises you can do to help progressively get better and better and better to finally be able to reach those 20 push-ups. The first exercise I'm going to demonstrate is the wall push-up. This is something anybody can do, and it's a great way to help build upper body strength if you're unable to do a regular push-up. So first, you're going to begin by placing both hands on the wall, about shoulder width apart. You're going to have the thumbs at about chin level. You're going to flex the elbows down and out. Then press the palms into the wall and extend back out. In this motion with the wall push-up, the feet will also be about shoulder width apart and your body will be aligned in one straight line. So the second and progressively more challenging exercise I'm going to demonstrate to you is the incline push-up. So with the incline push-up, all you need for that is an elevated surface. You can use the edge of your bed, a couch. For this demonstration, I'm going to use these 2 kitchen chairs. So first, you're going to begin by placing both hands about shoulder width apart, just like the wall push-up. Keep the body aligned, one straight line. You're going to descend down, elbows out, push through the palms, straight back up. Now, the incline push-up's a little bit easier because you're lifting less of your body's weight. So my third exercise on this list is going to be a kneeling push-up. Now, a kneeling push-up is very, very simple to do. First off, you start off in a kneeling position. You're going to cross the legs back, hands shoulder width apart. You're going to descend down, elbows tucked in close to the side, straight back up. Similar to an elevated push-up, the kneeling push-up gives us the benefit of not lifting our entire upper body weight, but gives us the benefit of feeling what a push-up feels like on a flat surface. All right, and lastly, we're going to do a negative full push-up. So with the negative push-up, we're just working the eccentric motion of the push-up, the lengthening motion, the downward motion of the push-up. We're going to control it. To do this, you're going to get into a full standard push-up position. Hands shoulder width apart, body aligned. You're going to slowly lower down, controlling it. Control the motion. So finally you're at a rest. The science behind the negative or eccentric training is that the muscle lengthening motion causes more damage to the muscle, which can actually help promote hypertrophy or muscle growth later on down the line. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you're on Twitter, make sure you retweet, and I'm out.